July 2026, IA&A Hillier partnered with TechRoad to present Ubiquitous Ghosts by Taiyalun, curated by Mia Yinjing Lu. The exhibition exemplified our commitment to the art and innovation of Taiwanese artists we have featured over the past 5 years. The exhibitions have focused on indigenous culture and identity formation, memory and family connections, border crossing and displacement, history and contemporary culture, as well as philosophy and politics. The use of new media and technological innovation has been at the forefront of these efforts. In November 2021, we featured She Says Her Story, 6 women artists from Taiwan. In this show, I Chun Chen featured Wang Shi, a video installation that explored the obscure history of her grandmother through archival footage, Google Maps, and digital animations, providing a trajectory of her life growing up in an elite family to conditions brought on by the Japanese occupation. Hung Ni's 7 Fairies Save the World consisted of 7 oval light boxes depicting mythological goddesses from the ancient world. These patron saints of family and young girls were reimagined as goddesses of the internet, providing guidance for young women in contemporary society. In May 2022, we featured Fluid Boundaries, 4 artists from the Pan-Austronesian Arts Festival. In this exhibition, the Timor Dance Theater displayed a 5-channel video installation that covered each wall of the gallery. Organized in collaboration with Black Race Dance Company, the video segments consisted of choreographed dance movements emanating sounds of breath and reverberation that summon connections between human beings and contemporary society and the motherland. The concept of Var Hung encouraged dancers to leave their traditional training behind and to retrieve authentic bodily movements of Taiwan culture. Another artist, Chang En Man, featured 2 components, a video documentary and a light box of woven fabrics about the significance of African snails. Inspired by her mother, a Taiwan woman, who included snails in traditional recipes, the artist discovered the origins of the snails during the Japanese occupation, and even further to East Africa. The video documented these connections through anecdotal stories and interviews, recalling oral history traditions in Africa and Taiwan, while the light box presented woven textiles that mapped the history from Taiwan and Singapore to Africa. After a trip to Taiwan in 2023, I began to focus on the latest technological innovations in places like Mocha Taipei, C-Lab, and the Taipei Fine Arts Museum. This led to the next partnership with TechRoad in 2025 that featured the work of Tae Mao Lee. Influenced by Martin Heidegger's concept of Dasein, Tae Mao's exhibition In Between Beings examined the question of existence through a series of video works that gaze toward a future 2,000 years from now. Recognizing the tectonic forces that have elevated ancient coastal sediments in Taiwan to sea levels, Tae Mao dived 20 meters underwater to better understand this time-space continuum of past, present, and the future. AI was also introduced as a viewer and thinker. Using the same underwater scenes, the installations produced AI-generated text that resembled the fluidity of cognition or stream of consciousness. This represented an indeterminate state of being that contemplates how human beings coexist with artificial intelligence. Taiyalun extended the integration of Western philosophy and technology by using virtual reality or VR to create more immersive experiences. Similar to Tae Mao's, which left us in an indeterminate state of being, Tao presented views of utopia that presented the participant in a liminal space between reality and illusion. Ubiquitous Ghost No. 9 presented Vladimir Tatlin's Monument to the Third International, a building that was designed to be constructed in St. Petersburg in 1919 after the October Revolution in 1917, but was never built. Viewers traveled from a virtual gallery space devoid of art into a 3D recreation of the tower, which blurred the boundaries between reality and illusion. Ubiquitous Ghost No. 10 replicated the same experience but presented utopia in the form of a futuristic playground, a virtual amusement park suspended high above ground in a desolate space. The VR installations were joined by a video display that showed the video using VR equipment to connect Max, a person exiled in Poland, to his homeland in Ukraine during the war in 2022. Tao is filmed walking through Ukraine under the tenuous conditions of war while communicating with Max via a headset. Tao is able to reunite Max with his family and visit the grave sites of loved ones, blurring the boundaries between real and imaginary spaces. Tao left us with the question, is the world real or an illusion. The partnerships with TechRo have led us through an incredible journey of real and imaginary worlds presented by Taiwanese artists who understand the moral and political power of art and technology and the ways they connect us across borders and through time and space.